What's up YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Paul. Today we have a quick little video. Just want to let you guys know of an awesome opportunity to get your hands on an amazing Foxbody. So let's go. So our friend Kashus is waffling off his amazing Foxbody chassis. You gotta see this, guys. I'm gonna post some pictures for you guys to get an idea. Everything in the car will be in the description below. There's a ton of time and of course money spent on the car. And I thought if somebody was looking for a Foxbody platform, you're gonna be way ahead and such a great platform to build off of. There's 120 spots at $125 Canadian. They're filling up fast, so you guys may want to jump on it if you're interested. The last time I counted, there were still 51 spots available. So yeah, get on it. All the contact information will be below, and good luck to whoever wins this amazing chassis. Thanks for listening, guys. All the best to Kashus and everyone that enters the waffle.